How's it going, everybody, and welcome back to another video. My name is John. I'm here today at Patrick BMW, part of the Patrick dealer group in Schaumburg, Illinois, and we have another exciting video for you today because we're going to be going over all of the new cars and new updates, new BMW models for 2025. So let's do it. New BMW models for 2025. They got some good stuff cooking up, so let's talk about it. The first off is going to be the new 2 Series Grand Coupe. Now, this isn't the 2-door 2 Series, this is the 4-door sedan. It is getting a whole new facelift, completely redesigned inside and out for 2025. It looks really good, as you can see in the pictures here. Completely new interior, completely new design language. It is definitely going to be a big step up from the current model. One cool thing about the new 2 Series is that every model is going to get the M Sport Appearance package, which is pretty cool. So no matter what engine you get, you're always going to get that upgraded appearance package, which looks really good. Probably the biggest news is that the new M5 is here. We've already delivered one. It is well on its way, being enjoyed by its new owners, but we are going to be getting plenty more M5s for 2025, and we'll see the debut of the M5 Touring, which I'm super excited about. It's so glad they finally sold these in the US. Car enthusiasts love a station wagon, so it's very exciting that they're bringing a 717 horsepower station wagon to the BMW family for the US. We've been waiting a long time, ever since the E61 M5 was available in Europe. We finally get an M5 Touring, and we couldn't be more excited about it. Another really cool package available on one of our models is for the Z4, and that is going to be the Handschalter edition, which is actually giving a 6-speed manual to our open-top Roadster. It is going to be phenomenal to drive. BMW fans love a manual, and I feel like this is really going to up Z4 sales and make these special editions something that collectors will also love. That Handschalter edition also gets you 19 or 20-inch wheel options, upgraded suspension and chassis tuning, stiffer anti-roll bars, and black exterior details, which is very cool. These cars look phenomenal, as you can see in these pictures. I love that green color. It just looks so good. But it should be noted that you can also get this car in whatever other Z4 color options are available, which is very cool. Now, probably the biggest news is going to be the debut of the new 3 Series, the electric 3 Series, and the electric M3. That's right, the electric M3. Now, details of when these cars are going to arrive is still under speculation, but you can see in these photos of the car doing winter testing that they are well on their way in their development journey. We should see them in probably late 2025. These 3 models, the regular gas-powered 3 Series, the i3, which they're going to be calling it, which is kind of a reinvention of that i3 name, and then the electric M3, those are all going to be based on the new Class Vision concept design. You can see in these photos it is a striking departure from the current 3 Series. I kind of love the retro-futuristic look. It is the first of the big 3 German automakers of BMW, Audi, and Mercedes to do a retro-futuristic design on a production vehicle, and I think it looks fantastic. I cannot wait to see what the production version is going to look like. Again, whole new design language, and I think they're going in the right direction with this one. I think it is going to look really cool. As far as the gas models of these new 3 Series go, I wouldn't expect much difference between the current engines and the next generation engines. They're already phenomenal. They already put out great numbers, so I wouldn't expect too big of a change there. For the i3, you can assume that it's going to be probably similar power numbers to what you see on the i4. They're just going to kind of input that technology into this new i3. Maybe a little bit longer range, I would hope over 350 miles per charge on that one. And then for the electric M3, now BMW has been teasing these a lot on social media. Again, it's going to have similar styling to that new Class Vision concept that we saw, but you can expect some wider fender arches. Of course, it's going to have a little bit revised interior compared to the standard i3, and it's going to have more sporty bucket seats, all the kind of M stuff that you expect. I'm hoping that power is going to be above the 600 range for this one, and 0 to 60 is going to be in the blink of an eye. The CEO of BMW M has recently said that the BMW M badge is more of a promise to performance rather than an engine. So you can probably expect that down the road there will be electric versions of all BMW M cars in the future, but I really like the steps that BMW is going with it. They're not going to an all-electric i3 and that's it. They're still having the gas-powered for those enthusiasts, and they're going to have an electric version for those EV enthusiasts also. BMW is also working on an all-electric SUV as well. It is dubbed to be known as the iX3, and that is going to be following the design language of the new Class X concept, which you can see here. So more of that retro futuristic design. I think it looks really, really good. I think the proportions are really, really nice on this car, and I expect a very airy greenhouse in this one. Of course, as far as the battery packs, it's going to be probably pretty similar to what we're going to see on the next generation electric 3 Series, but we're going to have to wait a little bit longer before that one makes production. Alright, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned a little bit something. Hope you're excited for 2025. I'm as well, because we've had a great amount of feedback from our videos from this past year. I hope you all enjoyed them. I had a great time making them for you. Learned a lot about this whole YouTube thing. If you could, please leave a comment down below of what kind of content you'd like to see in 2025. We're always looking for new ideas, so please reach out to us with some of those. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.